So today I'm going to show you a couple of new 164 figures I got. I've got them from JM Figure Series 16. I will leave a link to his Instagram page in the description of the video. Now, before I'm open these up, please smash the like button. Click, 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 click. Let's trick the algorithm. Okay, let's start with this one right here. Really well packed. Be careful with removing the foam because these are resin figures, no die cast. Okay, and this is a South Park figure, but this is the human version, and that's what I like about this set. So I'm also having some figures how they really look in the cartoon. So here it is. South Park, one of my favorite cartoons for many, many years on television. And here we got the real thing. This is a cheap AliExpress ripoff, by the way. I've ordered it, and when it came in, I was like, meh. But yeah, this is how it looks in the cartoon. This is how it looks, the human version. I think it's really well done. Okay, let's place this right here. Oh no, we also want to know if it can stand by itself. Yep, perfect. Okay, next one. Oh no, this is scanny. This is scanny. This is, I believe this is Kyle. This is Kyle Broflovsky. Yeah, I was totally wrong. Sorry for that. Had a night shift. That's probably the reason. Yep. Oh. Okay, let's place this one right here. So here we have Kenny. Yeah, that's obvious, Kenny. And also in the human version, really, really cool. I like 164 cars, but I also like 164 figures. Yeah, and I already showed you Kenny. This is how it looks in the cartoon. Then the next one. Stan. Ooh, where are you, Stan? Front and back. There we go. Yeah, and this is how Stan look in the cartoon. And then the last one should be Cartman. Definitely my favorite character of this show. And I think one of my favorite episodes is Asimo, when Cartman is tricking Butters with the robot. That is one of my favorite episodes, yeah. Yeah, really well done. Got a couple of figures from JM, and they're really, really good. This is how Cartman looks in the cartoon. Okay, let's take this off. So yes, here they are, all four. Would be cool if there was a Butters, but this is already really, really cool. Now the only thing I need is a 164 South Park bus stop or something like that. Okay, thanks for watching. Again, don't forget to smash the like button. Click, 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 click. Thanks for watching. Bye.